In this video, you'll discover the health benefits of avocado. Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dr. Zarowski and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, it's a pleasure to have you here. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and join our notification community so I can help you excel your health and your life. In this video, we're talking about the health benefits of avocado. Now, I can tell you avocados are absolutely great. They're incredible if you're having a high-fat, low-carb diet or following the ketogenic diet simply because they are going to offer you a lot of fat and they're also going to offer you a lot of health benefit. Let's go ahead and talk about some of the different health benefits this superfood has to offer. At the end of it, I want to talk about some of the many uses that it has. So anyway, when we look at avocados, what you're going to find per avocado, and by the way, this will vary a little bit because all avocados are different sizes, and you're going to basically find 21 grams of fat, 3 grams of protein, 2 grams of net carbs, 12 grams of total carbs. And remember, with this net carbs, we just take the fiber out of it in order to figure it out. 10 grams of fiber, and then 227 calories. Now, when we look at the avocado, it's really incredible because it has this super high fat content. It's going to be one of the fattiest, well, it's technically a fruit, but fattiest plant-based foods that you can eat. So anyway, really great there. Now, when we look at what you're going to find in the avocado, first of all, really nutrient dense, high in B vitamins, high in minerals, and it also is very high in potassium. A lot of people think that you need to eat bananas to get potassium, which you don't want to be eating on a low carb or keto diet. But anyway, you know, they're loaded with potassium more so than the banana, and the potassium has tons of health benefits like decreasing blood pressure, supporting cardiovascular health. So anyway, you got to make sure that, especially if you're following a low carb diet, you're getting that potassium in because, as you know, your electrolytes tend to fall a little bit low. So anyway, very nutrient dense there, high fat, so tons of fat in there. They're about 73% oleic acid, which is a really great saturated fat, which is going to help decrease inflammation in the body, support your overall weight loss, really powerful stuff there. Now, the high fat and high oleic acid content is also great because it has an anti-inflammatory effect, it has an anti-cancer effect, and as a matter of fact, research is even showing that it will help reduce the symptoms of arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, if that's something that you're suffering from. So really, really good stuff here. Now, they're also antioxidant rich. Now, this is cool because they have tons of antioxidants like zeaxanthin and lutein, which, if you haven't seen that video I did on it, basically is super powerful for overall eye health. You know, so you're going to decrease macular degeneration, support your overall eye health, but also support the overall health of your body because antioxidants are really great for, you know, really just boosting the body's immune system and really helping your body function at optimal levels. Next is going to increase weight loss. You know, there's an interesting study out there. Basically, what they found is that if they included avocado into their meal, there's a 23% chance that they'd actually feel more full, more satiated, and then also there's a 28% chance that over the next 5 hours they wouldn't be hungry. So overall, this was very satiating to them, and they didn't want to go and snack. And so basically, when we look at, you know, high-fat foods in general, they're always going to be more satiated, and that's why they support weight loss. But anyway, you know, if you're eating that avocado, including it into your meals, you're going to find that you just don't eat as much. Basically, is what this research is saying. And then, of course, the many uses of avocado make it great. I mean, people get creative out there. I mean, people are turning it into puddings, ice cream, if you can call it that, but some sort of ice cream stuff with avocado. You can take it and make dips out of it. You can just, you know, eat it plain. You can eat it as a side. You can pretty much, you know, you can stuff it with meat and cook it. You can slice it in half and put an egg in it and cook it. Anyway, you get the idea. But there's so many different things you can do with an avocado. So anyway, make sure that you're including avocados into your daily routine for the health benefits they have to offer. I know that in our house, we always have the stash of avocados stacked high. So anyway, you should do that too if you want to increase your overall health because this is a great food. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And then also, if you have any questions, put it in the comment section below. And then if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate that. And then check out my other videos on how you can improve your health. I'll see you in the next video.